RGB Solar Spotlight. We're going to do a review of that. We'll be right back. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we have something a little bit different in terms of an LED spotlight for landscaping and that kind of stuff. Now this is an RGB spotlight, which is different. So it has a solar panel. We're going to check it out. We're going to do an unboxing of it. I haven't done it yet. So we're going to unboxing. Let's see. So this looks like it's two stakes. One for the solar panel and one for the light. Wow, they're made out of metal. That's nice. We have a remote control, infrared remote control that has quite a bit of buttons on this bad boy. Holy crap. We have power, we have auto, we have RGB, red, blue, green, a different mode. We have six buttons, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6, 7, and 8 hour buttons. So if you just set it for auto, it'll probably come on at dusk and off at dawn, which would be nice. And then those are batteries as well. So let's take a look at the solar panel. Oh, how cute! It's tiny. Wow, look how much cord there is. This is a 5-watt solar panel. Really nice. Comes with the bracket. Perfect for the stake. That's kind of cool. I wonder how many batteries are inside. So this says on here, it says it has a 4,400 milliamp lithium battery on the inside. 3.7 volts. So let's turn this thing on. Oh, yeah. I'm a dumb son of a bitch. I need to put the batteries in on the remote for this to work. I can't believe I did something stupid like that. I'm trying to turn it on and it ain't going to turn on when I don't put the fucking batteries in. What the hell am I doing? I put the batteries in now. I can't believe I did that. Alright, so let's turn this on. Ooh, red. So red, blue, green, RGB. Red, green, blue. I'm not really quite sure what the... Oh, okay. We have different colors. Let's see if this is actually user battery replaceable, which is the whole thing. And it is. Okay. So it's two 2,200 milliamp batteries in parallel, making a 4,400 milliamp battery pack. So you can see it's right in there. It's all blue. That's the blue battery pack right there. Two 3.7 volt lithium batteries, and it's on a plug, so it's replaceable. You're going to need some solder, some soldering capability, that be able to do something like that, or maybe they actually sell this type of battery available on Amazon, I would suspect, and you're golden. So this is better than I expected. The only issue that I do see that it is epoxied in the back of it, so you're gonna definitely need to use a screwdriver to pry that bad boy out. But it is replaceable. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Yeah.